In this video, I will explain how to select columns and rows in Excel. First, we will deal with selecting columns that are adjacent to one another. Let us consider selecting columns D, E, and F. Hover the mouse over the header of column D. Wait for the mouse icon to change from the cross to down arrow. Click and drag to select columns D, E, and F. You can now see that all three columns are selected. Now let us move on to select columns that are not adjacent to one another. Consider columns D, F, and H. Hover the mouse over the header of column D and wait for the down arrow to appear. Click to select the column D. Press the Control key and click the columns F and H. You can see three columns, D, F, and H, are now selected. The Control key plays an important role here. If we click the F column without pressing the Control key, then the F column gets selected and column D gets unselected. Therefore, we need to hold on to the Control key for the previous selection and make a new selection. Now, let us focus on selecting rows. Consider selecting 4 rows, the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th ones. Hover the mouse over the header of the 5th row. Wait for the right arrow to appear. Click and drag the mouse to the 8th row. You can now see that the rows 5, 6, 7, and 8 are all now selected. Now consider selecting the 5th, 7th, and 10th rows. Hover the mouse over the header of the 5th row. When the mouse icon turns to the right arrow, click to select the 5th row. Then, press the Control key and click on the 7th row and the 10th row. It is important to press the Control key before clicking the 7th or 10th rows. If you miss, then previous selections get unselected.